Nelcos is offering a 3-day workshop where you can learn how to apply Bodaq Interior Film and become a certified installer. In just 3 days, you'll be confidently wrapping walls, cabinets, and doors using Bodaq Interior Film. Bodaq Interior Film is an innovative, self-adhesive material that is designed to stick to almost any surface. You can transform old furniture in minutes. No demolition, no mess, just a fresh, modern look. The installation is fast, mess-free, and doesn't disrupt your space. Bodaq is cost-effective, eco-friendly, efficient, and stylish, which means there's a massive demand from constructors, business owners, and designers. You don't require any experience or a background in construction or design. With our training workshop, you just need motivation, your hands, and 3 days. There are workshops being held at locations all across Canada and the United States. Learn more by visiting our website today.